Hi, this is Ravi. I'm going to speak about FOTA solution from ATID India. Here we have come up with a firmware over the air solution with two-level admins. The first would be a super admin who would be holding control over the FOTA server, and we will have admin. These are super admin is allowed to create as many admins as possible. So here it is like admin is basically a user. So admin A and admin B are created over here just for example. And now these admin can individually create models. They can include release date, release notes, and also upload firmware for their models along with checksum file. So once these are given, the latest firmware is updated to the server, and that is accessible to all the models that we listed here. And currently we are supporting models like 80911, 8511, 8870A, which are all based on 820. Since base code being same, we were able to come up with this thing, but eventually we can support multiple models. Let's look at how it actually works when it comes to the system. This is a dashboard for the super admin. What you have seen here, this is a super admin. There's a dashboard for super admin. This is what it is. I'm logging in as super admin. Here if you look at my dashboard is pretty simple. I have option of creating admins. That's my role. So let's look at list of all the current admins or the users for the particular system. Here are the users I created. Pretty simple. So we can delete them or create them. So let me log out. Let's see how the dashboard looks for the admins, basically the one who is using the system. So for instance, I am the firmware in charge of firmware update solutions. So I log into my dashboard like this, and here I have option of creating my models, and I can also create my customers. So once I create models and customers, at any point of time I can add a new model. Say for example, in this case we already listed few models like 8870, 911. So and I have option of creating a customer for that particular model. Say I pick Hilti, and here I make a release of firmware for that particular customer. Version numbers. I write some what's the release date and the release notes for it. Of course, this UI can always get updated as we keep moving. So we need to include the checksum file and also browse for the firmware file and include that. Just need to press the update button. This update will go and sit in the system. Here, these are the models that we have. And against each model, what are all the releases we had. So you look at this model, say for example 8911, we have so many of updates that are released till date. We can do the same thing customer wise. I go to customer screen, I see what all customer releases we made. In this case, only for Hilti we made this many releases, right? And just like firmware, we can also update demo apps. So for instance, for customers, I released a new demo app for UHF or other functionality, barcode readers, or all the demo apps can be instantly updated from this server. So admin himself will have all this control over his releases. It's pretty easy. Let's look at how it actually works on the mobile. So here is a mobile screen. Yeah, this is a very simple one screen. What you see here is check for updates, and once I press that button, I'm able to download my updates. I'm sorry, it is a little blurred. Yeah, it's now downloading my updates. So there are two kinds of updates we have provided. One is direct update, incomplete, and other is incremental update. So either case our solution works fine, and currently we have focused more on incremental update considering our situation and customer requirements. So this solution is completed as on date, that is in November 2015. We have already finished this particular solution, which is FOTA solution for A20 platform of ATID. Likewise, eventually we have planned to extend this to other platforms like IMX or MTK or MSM or Samsung based models of ATID. So eventually, if possible, we are looking at various options of moving it and making it as a generic solution and extend it to other customers also as a FOTA cloud solution. Since we already have experience on A20 platform, we like to utilize it and make a FOTA solution as a cloud. Here, if you look at, we already support A20. We'll eventually come up with MTK or Samsung based support. There companies like Cellcon, which is a local manufacturer here in India, they release some 20K units a month in local markets. So these kind of customers, they will find it pretty useful to tie up with us, and all they have to do is allow us to take their current OS source, and we will integrate our FOTA solution onto their OS, and we will release a firmware image. Once that is done, Cellcon can flash that onto their devices at the manufacturing stage or before they release into the market, and that will make their life easy. Once done, just like we had the admin over there updating the complete the regular latest firmware, likewise a Cellcon admin who is in charge of release, he would log into our FOTA cloud with his username and password credentials. Once done, he will upload the latest firmware. The latest firmware would get updated to the FOTA cloud, and then all the client devices like C1, C2, C3 or the different models that are released from Cellcon, so they will be able to directly sync with our FOTA cloud and come up with the latest firmwares. So their devices are updated with both application as well as firmware. I'm sure these solutions are existing, but it's just additional features that we like to provide as cloud-based, making their cost drastically reduced. I hope our solution presentation was meaningful and understandable. Please feel free to write to us for any additional information. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.